Hi everyone, in this video, I'm not myself. I haven't been myself this week. Why? It's because I haven't been well. And I'm on leave of absence from work in my subacute unit. I was supposed to work tonight, and for some reason I still don't feel well. I've been sleeping, I've been losing weight, on and off. I wake up, and like right now, it's too late, 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm making this video. I don't feel like my throat is clear. I'm drinking water. So I'm going to read about the path of giving up. All excuses are misalignment. Words like difficult, risky, can't, too weak, too dumb, and too complicated do not apply to the divine mind. I urge you to re-harmonize with energy that can do anything and everything, for this is your original nature. And this was quoted from Wayne Dyer. Who you are underneath it all knows no limits, no fear, and no limitations. And whenever you choose to use all kinds of excuses for why you can't be, do, or have something, you are in fact moving away from your true power, disconnecting from your true self, and building a false identity for yourself. An identity that will only weaken you, causing you to see yourself as being small, powerless, and insignificant. Your excuse keep you from being true to yourself, from listening to the messages of your heart and soul, and they keep you from remembering that within you lies both the power and the ability to create the beautiful and loving life you deep down know that you deserve to live. And that is why it is so important to learn to differentiate between your true self and your mental constructed self, between what is real and what is not, between what is fear and what is love, between what is true and what is an illusion. Know that you have your unique path to walk upon, your own purpose to fulfill, and that whenever you attach yourself to your excuses, to your many fears and limitations, you are more away from what your true nature and away from your life path. You stop being in harmony with who you are, and you start living a life that is not yours to live. And that's how life starts to become a struggle. All the discomfort, unease, pain, and unhappiness you experience whenever you cling to your many excuses is caused by your efforts to build a false identity and a fearful life for yourself, a life that has no purpose and no meaning, a life that is built on fear and doubt instead of love and trust. Dare to listen to what your heart has to say. Reharmonize with energy that can do anything and everything, and give yourself permission to love, to grow, to evolve, and to live a life to the fullness. Get into a habit of questioning every thought you think and every belief you have, especially those thoughts and beliefs that hold you back in life. Learn to reflect on the things your mind tells you. Learn to assess yourself, your thoughts, your belief, and your excuses. Let go of the need to use words like, it's too difficult, it won't happen to me, I don't have the time, I don't have the energy, nobody will help, I'm too old, and so on. And allow your courageous heart and loving soul to lead the way. When we know who we are, we can overcome our fears and insecurities. We suppress our smaller selves. The answer to this question of what to say is what to do, whom to let in, and whom to keep out become the clear and simple matter of listening to our hearts. The inner voice helps us align with our purpose. The voice is there, we just need to listen to it. When we do that, we live in fearlessness. So, this is all about excuses, and don't give yourself into excuses and making you stop from wanting what you want. Okay, so I'm making this video. I don't feel very well, but it did make me feel good when I read this. So read edifying books. This book is 15 things. Can't see it that way, but 15 things you should give up to be happy. So this is a happy book. So when I don't feel good, I pick this up and I read it. So, but thank you. I wanted to share that with you tonight. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm not at work. I've been resting. I've been sleeping. I've been trying to sleep and then go back to sleep. And still getting over this. I don't know what I've been going through, but between losing weight, I lost weight. Even my kids, my daughter came to visit me today and she said, Mommy, you're losing weight. Well, I haven't been feeling good and my voice is not back to normal, so I don't really want to sing. I don't really want to play my flute or do any type of music. I just want to rest, but I don't want to miss any moment of making a video. It's very important for me to make a YouTube video, but I will be making some faceless videos to upload on my channel. And I will talk to you guys all later. Thank you. Ciao and see you soon. Bye.